Sandy Ingram here. Welcome to the Education Matrix channel, because education changes everything. Today's video is urgently important, from both the Iraqi news to the equity investment announcement. Also included is the special report from the UN on a wartime drone that went rogue and hunted down a human target without anyone telling it to do so. No, this is not science fiction. Now we may better understand the military's concern over drones in Iraq. Are you ready? In the special report category, this may be one reason the U.S. military is so concerned with the drones in Iraq that are flying over buildings that houses U.S. military personnel. This story seems like it's right out of a science fiction movie. However, I assure you that is not the case. The news article showed up on the front page of MSN. A rogue killer drone hunted down a human target without being instructed to do so. Now, this is not to say that the drones in Iraq have this capability, but it is a reason for concern. A UN report revealed the incident after the technical scientific world included the information in a report. In other words, word got out. If you know anything about autonomous devices, AI, artificial intelligence, especially ones that are designed for warfare, then you want to be completely honest about the device's capabilities. This particular warfare drone targeted a soldier while he tried to retreat, according to the report. The link to the entire articles is in the description. Iraq is building a new oil pier off its southern coast, financed by Japan. This new oil pier is expected to boost exports and imports of crude-derived products and increase Iraq's revenue. In the second article, we learned that Iraq has moved back into the position as OPEC's second largest supplier of crude oil. This means the money is flowing again within Iraq. In this article, we learn at least 2 people have been arrested on suspicion of targeting activists in Karbala, according to the new Arabic language service. The Saudi Fund for Development, SFD, has signed an export financing agreement with the National Bank of Iraq, a subsidiary of the Capital Bank Group, to provide credit facilities worth $10 million to Iraqi importers who seek to import Saudi products and services. You should know that Iraq and Pakistan are now building new ties and strengthening old ties. In Iraqi sports, we find that Iraq beat Nepal in a friendly game in northern Iraq. Moving on to international banking and financing. Now, this article does not directly affect our investment. However, you may want to remember this article because our investment profits could shift based on this belief. Biden says China believes it will own America within the next 15 years. The link to this article is in the description. Today's equity investment announcement surrounds the travel medical industry. Listen closely to what a medical doctor is telling you. His father, who is also a medical doctor, got sick and found it hard to find the right treatment. This statement provides insight into procedures and medical processes that are not readily available. This investment is not for everyone. However, if you understand the value, know that the minimum investment is $500. Let's take a listen.
Hi, I'm Robert Page, CEO and founder of Pulse Protocol. I come from a family of doctors, and in 2014, my father, Dr. Robert Page, was diagnosed with cancer Our best option for treatment was to travel abroad, but this took a long time, a lot of difficulty, a lot of effort. Thanks to our connections and 14 years of experience in global healthcare, we were able to find the right doctor and the right treatment for him. But it wasn't easy. I realized that if we had a difficult time finding the right care, getting adequate help, and coordinating logistics, less experienced people would be completely left in the dark. The lessons we learned along the way and the experiences led us to build Pulse Protocol.
Pulse is a first-of-its-kind software and marketing platform that gives doctors and hospitals a comprehensive solution to professionally manage and grow their medical travel businesses. Ultimately, Pulse helps doctors generate predictable revenue and patients access great healthcare at transparent prices. Today, 16 million patients travel from all corners of the globe to access medical services, spending $120 billion annually. But this only represents roughly 8% of the total.
You can watch the entire video. The link to the investment page is in the description. Now here is an investment we found on multiple equity investments platforms. This company has combined ice cream and alcohol to make a delicious dessert. If you love ice cream and or alcohol, then you understand. The minimum investment on this equity investment is under $300 US. This is an established company who is already shipping to 46 states within the United States. The company is valued at $13.1 million US. Let's take a look.
Okay, Randy. All right, man. Yeah, that sounds good. See you soon. Oh, hey there. I'm Jason, president of HeartScoop. What is HeartScoop? HeartScoop is happiness. HeartScoop is fun. HeartScoop is going to change the way you think about alcohol and dessert. Our mission, to make people happy. So, in an unofficial poll conducted by me and certified by me, we found that the two things that people love most are ice cream and alcohol. So we put the two together and HeartScoop.
The ultimate treat can put a smile on anyone's face. It's what the world needs right now.
How do we get HeartScoop to bring joy to as many people as possible, as quickly as possible? Wine. That's right, wine. Through innovation, iteration, and a lot of taste testing, we discovered that we were able to take pure and tasteless alcohol and wine and use it as our